In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete pages in the Control Center on your iPhone running iOS 18. The Control Center is a convenient feature that allows quick access to various settings on your device. If you have added extra pages to your Control Center and find them unnecessary, you can easily remove them to declutter and streamline your experience. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the Control Center. After that, go over to the page that you want to delete. Then tap on the plus button at the top left corner of the screen. What you want to do next is remove all the controls on the page. To do that, tap on the minus button just like this. Once you've deleted all the controls, tap anywhere on the screen. Now that page is deleted from the Control Center. You can repeat this process for any other pages you wish to delete. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.